Yeah, it's real bright though. We got that too. Actually, we want to talk to you about something. Go to the car and get what we came here for.
Okay.
We brought you something. We want to show you something. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're at our homie Zeus's house. As you guys can see, we got the Supra in the background, currently taking out the 1J. So we came to Zeus's house just to get some help him work on the car, get some content for you guys, show you guys something different. You guys aren't used to, you know, we don't have any 1Js or any Js on the channel. So my boy Zeus here, you know, he's live in action.
We're right here just doing a swap. Have you shown him the two JZ over
I
there?
have not.
Let's go show him.
Let's go show him the 2J real quick.
You have to see that.
So this is the 2J. You can basically talk to him and kind of tell him.
Well, yeah, I just bought a new turbo, and we're just trying to get it going, man. You know, we're gonna put this motor in the other shell I got, and you know, we're taking it one day at a time.
You guys see it's a nice
Quarantine and chill.
Nice HKS. Can't have that. We have a nice HKS right here. Nice turbo daddy right here. So we're basically gonna take this motor, put it in the other Supra that you just seen, and then this Supra is gonna go where? To junkyard or selling
wherever,
it or
to wherever.
Anybody in Vegas, if you
whatever.
need something off of a, what year?
89.
89 Supra, contact us ASAP. We're doing the swap, so things might go fast. Just let us know. You guys see the puppies?
Japanese cars, Japanese dogs, you feel me?
You have to.
You have to.
His dogs just had puppies, so he's selling puppies right now if anybody would like a Shiba Inu. You guys see them? They look nice.
KC purebred.
They like to sleep, so.
So we got the manifold bolts off. Get ready to disconnect all the plugs and remove the pigtail plugs from the injectors so we could pull the harness back and take out the engine. That's the last step we got to go before
She's moving. Move it real quick so they can see. Oh yeah, that's loose.
Yeah, so we're gonna peel this off.
Boom.
Undo all the injectors in here. You see how they're connections, all the connections right there. We're gonna undo those.
Okay.
And you know, take the engine out right after.
Boom. Swap coming to you. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes sir. Almost got the manifold off. It's looking good. Oh shit, we got shit spilling.
You know what's going on? Oh, yeah. Pull that shit over, please. There you go.
Yeah.
That means it's alive. This is the screw right here.
You got a towel?
Sorry, don't trip.
Wow. She's spilling.
Oh, nice.
Almost got it off. Is it stuck?
A little bit more stuff that go into play. Let me see. This harness is like one more. Where the fuck is this one going? Oh, this is just for the fucking. Where's the dikes at right there? This nigga put in like a stay on all the time.
Oh, the previous owner?
Yeah. Stay on all the time. Fans for the radiator.
Yeah. Because it gets hot, huh?
Yeah. Put that bullshit on there. Alright, there's one side. Yes, we're getting somewhere. It's a pain in the ass, huh? Or not?
Should come out now.
Yeah, shit. I think it's just my fucking bolt right here that I can't get out. It's fucking up.
Oh, you got a bolt breaker stuck? Wild.
Got it. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Well, it should be out now.
Yeah, it should be. It looks like it's.
Go ahead and take it off. They want to see it off. Okay. Wow. They make it hard for you.
Yeah.
They make it real hard for you.
Oh, there's one more. Oh no, I thought that was.
Ooh, that thing is out.
Oh, one more bolt right here. One more bolt.
The last bolt we got right here. It's been a mission to take this manifold off. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But we should be there now. And then we gotta put the engine hoist together.
Mm-hmm.
And then
She's
coming out.
They're trying to yank it out today? Oh, yeah, I want to save it for tomorrow in the morning. What time y'all wake up?
You guys see we got the manifold off finally.
It's ready to all come out. Like, you know what I mean? Boom. That's why I want to do it this way. All you gotta do is just take it out like that.
You guys see 1J manifold. For those who've never seen a 1J Z manifold, here we go. Stock manifold. I believe it's stock. So tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna fully yank out the 1J. We just want to take the manifold off today. Took a good minute to take off. First time ever messing with 1JZ, so pretty excited to see how it comes out tomorrow. And then we gotta still take out the 2J from the other car and put the 2J in this car, so stay tuned.